welcome to Casino Fusion at Home. Today we're going to cook Filipino chicken adobo, my way and my version. So we have to start with chicken. I have here chicken quarter that I cut it, so it's chicken legs and chicken thigh. You can use any kind part of the chicken that you want, but it's nice if you have skin on and bone in. I have here spices that I have. It's a Filipino spice vinegar, and I have Filipino soy sauce, and this is my version of Filipino adobo. So I'm putting a twist of sake on it, and I have also a little bit of fish sauce, and I have ground pepper, I have bay leaf, and lots of garlic, minced garlic, and also have lime zest to freshen up the recipe, adobo recipe. So we will start. First is the soy sauce. We are going to put half a cup. By the way, I have like 2 pounds of chicken. So this is 1/2 of soy sauce, and also 1/2 cup of the spice vinegar, I have my sake. This is my secret. It's not a secret anymore. So, but you can leave this if you don't want alcohol on your chicken adobo. You can just put substitute it with water. So we're putting half a cup. This is my 1/4 cup. So 2/4 cup. You can substitute to 1/2 cup of water if you don't want alcohol to your chicken adobo. And this is also, we call it Filipino lambanog, because this is a Japanese rice wine. So in the Filipino, we call it lambanog. And then I have like 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. It will add saltiness and umami on the chicken adobo. I have ground black pepper, like bay leaf, like we can put like 4, 6, 7 leaves of bay leaf, and like 3 full tablespoons of garlic, lots of garlic. And the lemon zest. It gives a good, nice flavor on the dish. So we can put like 2 or 3, depends how you want it. but I will just put 2 lemon zest, lime zest. And you can, if you don't have lime, you can also use lemon. Or we have calamansi. You can use calamansi. That's a Filipino lime. That's it. And a 1/4 cup of sugar. So that is all for the sauce. Oh, it's so good. It's adobo is a combination of saltiness, sour, and a little bit of sweet. And taste. So those are good. Perfect. So then first we have to sear the chicken first. What we're looking here is to just to brown the skin and not cook through, just to brown the skin. So those are ready. We're just browning it. Look at this color. That is what we're looking for. After we seared all the chicken, and you can see it's not cooked through yet, so we're just brown the skin. After that, we put in the Dutch oven and pour all the sauce that we made before. So after you pour all the sauce that we made before, we have to simmer this for about 30 minutes. So we have to close the lid and we'll wait until it's all cooked through. Remember, the chicken is not cooked through yet. We just seared it and browned the skin. So now we are going to simmer for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes of simmering the chicken with all the sauce that we put in there, we'll check it out. So the chicken is already tender and cooked. So now we have to look at this sauce. It's so thick. We'll check it out how that it tastes. So the balance of salt, sour, and a little bit of sweet is all there, and it's good. So we're not putting anything anymore. We will not add anything anymore. So that's perfect. Now we have to plate it. Hi everyone, this is the finished product of my Filipino chicken adobo. Hope you like it. And if you want to if you want me to cook more like this recipe, subscribe to our channel, like and share. And this is my Filipino chicken adobo. Bye!